afternoon everyone and welcome back muli sa ating live. Dito naman tayo sa Paya Basketball League 2025. This is the battle of Lourdes School Mandaluyong versus our very own the Xavier School. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. 2 minutes and 25 seconds tayo magsisimula na sa ating laban. This is the Aspirant 2010 Division dito sa Paya League. Let the battle begin. Lourdes versus the Xavier School. For our starting lineup, nandyan si C, Cheng, Yang, Vergara, and U, and C, rather. Okay, let's go. First ball mapupunta sa Lourdes School, Mandaluyong. Steal by Jordan. Outlet pass. Steal by number 27. Ay na ang Lourdes. Strong drive, no good. Rebound by Lee to Cheng. From the corner, Vergara, no good. Rebound, Vergara, and there's a foul. First basket para kay Vergara. Power saver school. Second shot. It's good. 2-0. Steal. See all the way. Basket. Pressure deeper na ating Xavier. Attacking the basket. Kick out number 10 for 3. Wala. Rebound by C. Pass to Cheng. Cheng. Backdoor pass to Vergara from corner. No good. Rebound. Jordan. Block. Reverse layup. Block again. Ayan na ang Lourdes. Lourdes kick. Uy, bad pass. Last touch. Same ball. From the corner, no good. Rebound by Jordan. Yang. Oh, wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Derecho, behind the back, using the board, basket. Pabasa dalawang lamang ng ating Xavier. Cheng, setting on the screen. Top up na key for 3. No good. Rebound ng Lourdes. 2 against 2. Derecho. Wala. Rebound by Jordan. Yang. C for 3. Wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Ay na. Spin move. Wala. Out of bounds. Xavier School basketball. Cheng. Pass to Vergara. Vergara sa loob. C with a pull-up jumper. Wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Ayan na, side step, fade away shot, no good. Rebound by number 24. Pass to Cheng. Cheng with a hesi. Cheng umatake, using the board. Basket is good. Ayan na, ang Lourdes, number 10. No good. Rebound again para sa Lourdes. Uy, what a easy layup para sa Lourdes. C. Pass to Vergara. Back to C. C. Umutake. Basket. Balik sa apat ang lamangan ng Xavier. Number 27, handoff. Pass number 27 to number 19, 4-3. Yes, para sa 3. Cheng, pass to C. Backdoor pass. Ooh, what a nice layup para kay Jordan. Number 15, using the glass. Wala. Rebound, makukuha ni Cheng. Cheng. Ayan na, si Cheng nagmamadali. Hesi, sumalaksak. Tumira, and there's a foul. Substitution. Yan na po ang second unit ng ating Xavier. On the free throw area, jersey number 3, Cheng. Basket. Wala. Basket ba? Ano yung nagay? Ayan, basket. Official score 11-7. From the elbow 3, wala. Makukuha pa rin ng Lourdes. Fake. Matake. Kick out. Top of the key. Number 15. Matake. Steal. By Cheng. Pass to Flores. Flores with the half step. Ooh, wala. Rebound again by Flores. No call. Ayan na ang Lourdes. But there's a foul. Number 11. There is the same ball tayo. Lourdes School Basketball. Oy, nakalusot ang Lourdes doon. Baba na lamang sa dalawang lamang ng ating Xavier. Time out, Xavier. Time remaining 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Back to the ball game. Bola natin. Number 17. Uy, bad pass. Bad pass dito, sige. Number 15. Kick out. Number 79. That's a traveling violation. Go, handoff. Pass to Flores. Stop and pump. Oh, in and out. Rebound by number 76. Ayun ang Lourdes. Number 10. Kick out. Number 16. Crossover. Ooh, block by Flores. Lourdes School Basketball. Backer pass. Top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 11. Go. Sorry, that's D. Ayan na si Flores. Backdoor pass. Go. Oh, there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 11. There is D. First shot para kay D. Basket. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Makakuha ng Lourdes. Kick out. Number 0, number 3, 4-3. Wala. Ayan na si Flores. Flores natapikan. Out of bounds. Nasa corner. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. Nakakuha ng Lourdes. Out of bounds, last touch, Xavier School basketball. Time remaining, last 36 seconds. So, oopsie, there's a foul. That shooting on the line, jersey number 17, and that is Go. First shot para kay Go. Basket. Basket. 14-9. Pass number 14, and that's a traveling violation. Last 14 seconds. 14 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating first quarter. Go. Pass to Flores. Flores heading on the screen. Stop and pump. Wala. Rebound. Last 2 seconds. 1. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 14-9 in favor of our home team, ang Xavier School. Second quarter tayo. Back to the ball game. White ball. Good. Gusto po. Walang tawag ang ating official doon. 14-11. 3.8 para sa ating Xavier. Jordan running shot. Basket. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Dire-diretso, wala. Sinunod by number 11. Nakalusot ang CD, connection ang Lourdes. Jordan, pass to Flores, 4-3, wala, rebound by Jordan. Ay, no good. Uy, wala pa rin. Rebound by Jordan. Natapikaan ang bola rito ng Lourdes. Number 15, 4-3, wala. Ayan na si Jordan, kick out. Cheng for 3. Sorry, that is Tyrese Tan. Oh, good hustle. Para kay Kyoto. Lourdes. Basket by Flores. And shoutout po kay Coach T.Y. Tang is watching. Magandang gabi po, Coach T.Y. Tang. Support their first son, that is Tyrese Tang. Jordan, pass to Tyrese. Backdoor pass. Kyoto, 4-3. Wala, rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound na dito ng Lourdes. Oh, bad pass, steal. Ay, Kyoto. Ayan na, si C with a strong drive. Wala, rebound by number 33. Pass number 18. Tapa Baki, 4-3, wala. Rebound by Kyoto. Pass to Tyrese. Tyrese. Pick up using the board, wala. Rebound again ng Lourdes. Lourdes, nagmamadali. Lourdes. Tumira, wala. There's a foul. Time out, Lourdes. The official score 23-17. Almost 1 minute tayo. the ball game. Bola rito na ating Xavier. What a pass to win. No good. There's the foul. Ang Lourdes. Yung ano po, Jan Paolo. Jan Paolo po. Florida. Ganun nagkampo po kasi ano eh. Second shot para kay Cheng. Basket. 24-17. Time out. Xavier. Oh, sorry. Substitution pala tayo. Ayun na. Ganun lang mapapasahan. Bad pass. Good defense para sa ating Xavier. 4-3, wala. Ayan na ang Lourdes, number 13. Crossover, kick out. There's a traveling violation. Cheng. Naitawid. Ayan na sa dulo. Basket by kay C. Ayan na. Lumalaki na ang ating kalamangan. 10-point lead para sa ating Xavier. Side step. Kick out. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Flores. Back out and pass and out of bounds. Same ball po at tayo. Time out Lourdes. With official score 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Time out dito ang Lourdes. Back to the ball game. Let's go. Bola rito natin. Cheng looking for his teammate. Pass to Tyrese. Tyrese to see. Fake. Matake. And there's a foul. Cheng on the free throw area. First shot is good. Basket again para kay Cheng. O si rather. Jersey number 2. Oh, what a steal. Makakuha ni Cheng. Cheng setting on play. Tyrese 4-3. 3-point. Oh, sorry, that's Vergara. Correction. 19-32. Oopsie, that's a traveling. Bola ng Lourdes. Time remaining 1 minute and 13 seconds. Time out again, Lourdes. Ayan, shoutout po kay Sir Benedicto Kyoto. Magandang gabi po, sir. And also, good evening po. Happy viewing kay Coach T.Y. Tang is watching. And kay Ma'am Gisa Tang. Okay, back to the ball game. 32-19. Time remaining 1 minute and 13 seconds para sa ating first half. Bola ng Lourdes. Oy, still makakuha ba? Safe pero tawag ang ating referee doon. Ay, coach! Kabala kayo. Gusto po. Coach T.Y. Tang was here watching. Number 0. Umatake. Oh. There's a foul. Lourdes School basketball. Last remaining na lamang. Last seconds remaining na lamang po. Kung natitira. Spin. Kumanira. Wala. Rebound. And 1. Basket count plus a foul. By jersey number 10. The free throw area, jersey number 10. Basket. 22-32. Last 24.3 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Vergara. Pass to Cheng. Cheng. Pass to Vergara. Cheng. Cheng cross. Cheng spin. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Mako pa rin. It's Cheng. And there's, you have it. Oh, dalawa daw po. May foul. May pagkakataon on the free throw area. Jersey number 3, Cheng. First shot is good. Second shot, wala. Okay, that's the end of our first half. Official score 32 or 33-22. Babalik tayo para sa ating second half.
Omi. Omi. Omi.
Shoutout din po nandito si Sir Jasper Yang, and to all the parents is watching sa ating court side. Sa mapagpalang Martes sa bawat isa. This is our Paya Basketball League 2025 Aspirant 2010 Division. Ayan, may bahay. Together with the coach T.Y. Tang. Okay, last 29 seconds na lamang po at tayo magsisimula na para sa ating third quarter. Okay, let's start third quarter. Let the battle begin. Lourdes School Basketball. Let's go. Number 10. Take a shot, no good. Rebound by Jordan. Yang. Stop and pump. Yes, para sa toss. Yang. Oopsie, steal. Ayan na si Flores. There's the foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 55, Tristan Flores. First shot is good. Basket. 37-22. Oh, steal, Jordan. Basket yan para kay Jordan. Yan. Ay na, double team. Oh, there's a foul. Number 28, Vergara. Tyrese. Pass to Vergara. Back to Tyrese. Kick out from the corner 3. Wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Number 18. Spin move. Tumira. There's a foul. 6 minutes and 54 seconds shooting on the line. Jersey number 3 for Lourdes. Basket. Second shot is good. 24 to 39. C, no good. Rebound. That is a foul. Spin, short, rebound. Lead. Cheng, kick out. From the corner 3, wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound na dito na Lourdes. Oopsie. Last touch. Number 99 basket. Lourdes. Oh, good. And one. First shot. Jersey number 76. Yep. 4-3, no good. Shot, no good. Number 10, and there's a foul. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. good. Flores, 4-3. Yes, para sa 3. By Tristan Flores. Jordan. Oh, bad pass. Time remaining 3 minutes left sa ating third quarter. Oh, steal. Jordan. I'm out. Lourdes. The official score 46-28. Okay, back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 49 seconds. 46-28. Bola rito ng Lourdes. Ay na. Nagmamadala yung Lourdes. Uy! Basket yan. Para sa Lourdes. Jordan. Setting on the play, Flores, pinasa sa corner, back to Jordan, to Flores, 4-3, yes, para sa 3 by Flores. Okay, sa corner, strong drive, and there's a foul. Number 10 shooting on the line. First shot is good. Shot no good. Flores to Jordan, top of the key, wala. Rebound ng Lourdes. Ayan na, drop pass, wala, rebound by Flores. Sa corner, gets the 3, short. Uy, nabitawan. Makakukuha ng Lourdes. Gets that shot, wala. Ibang by Jordan, outlet pass. See, and there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 2, C. Good. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Basket para kay C. 50-31. Substitution. Ay na Lourdes. Naghanap ang mapapasahan. And one by Wee. Jersey number 37. Three on the free throw area. Wala. Offensive rebound makukuha. Magawan. Last 25 seconds tayo. Jordan. Stop and pump. Wala. 17 seconds. Foul. Time remaining. Last 11 seconds. Ibigay. Uy, basket. Jordan. Basket count. And sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter, official score 54-33. Lamang pa rin tayo ng 19. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Fourth and last quarter. 54-33, 19-point lead. Or correction, 11-point lead para sa ating Sabre School. Let's go. Fourth quarter. Flores. Pass to Wee. Pass it by jersey number 37. Wee. Who's that? Last touch, bola rito na sa Xavier. Nakatanggap dito. Tyrese. Fake. Kick out for 3. Wala. Basket again. Sa Lourdes. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Oh, still. Floater, wala. Valenzuela. Has to remember. Okay, substitution. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Tyrese, wala. Number P, using the board, wala. Baby. Titus. Toy with a putback. Still Tyrese, step back to wala. Time out. Yan natin, hadal natin Xavier. Time remaining 6 minutes and 25 seconds. 56 to 35. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Bola rito ng Lourdes. Okay, bola rito ng Lourdes. Number 3, 4-3, wala. Di pa, ambay Tyrese. Tyrese. The corner, in and out. Substitution. Brandon Kyoto coming in. Oopsie, rebound. Ayan na si Brandon. And there's a foul. Oopsie, that's a traveling. game. Xavier School Basketball. 58 na po tayo. 58 to 35. 42 sa ating vision. Gagi, pass to Brandon for 3. Too strong. Out of bounds. White ball. Dinoba. Okay, bola rito ng Lourdes. Let's go. Ayan na. Number 10, pinasa sa low post. Number 11. Oh. Okay, sa foul. Blocking foul. Down, 3, in and out, rebound by number 24. Let's go, Xavier. Okay, sa corner. D with a side step, no good. Makuha ni D. Binigay. Backer pass, Cheng, top of the key for 3. 3 points para kay Cheng. 61 to 35. Sa loob. There's a foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Sorry, 3 minutes and 7 seconds. First shot is good. By Lasal. Sorry, that's Lourdes another. What a guy, what a pass movement, number 37. Substitution. Time remaining 2 minutes and 27 seconds lamang po ang home team, ang Xavier. Let's go. Still, Aina, number 17, all the way. Rebound dito ng Xavier. Ayan na. All the way. By jersey number 15. Ayan natin hadal na coach ng Lourdes. 67 to 37. Time remaining 1 minute and 32 seconds. Back to the ball game. 30-point lead ang hinahabol ng Lourdes dito. Okay, back to the ball game. Dito na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng laro, ang almost 2 minutes left. Let's go! Bola rito ng Lourdes. It's the three. Wala. Nagmamadali. Uy, nakalusot. Ang Xavier 2010 Division. Oh, still again. Number 17. Ayan na. There's a foul. Ilabad daw kayo mamaya. Ayan na, number 9. Good. Brody. I'm sorry, that's Brandon. Last 19 seconds left. Shot, no good. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game from both teams. A nice game para sa Lourdes School Mandaluyong. And congratulations to our winning team. Our very own Xavier School 2010. Alright. Muli maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood at magkita-kita po tayo para sa ating next live. Muli maraming salamat po to all the parents na kasama natin dito sa ating venue. Here our home, the Xavier School 2010 Aspirant Division. Alright, magbabalik tayo sa ating mga next live.